Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Pricesmart says it's monitoring market data to determine whether there will be further expansion in Jamaica and the region. At a media briefing this morning, Senior Vice President of the US-based chain, Danraj Mahabir, says the decision will be based on demand.
Every market we are in, exploring opportunities. Again, the data analytics drives these decisions, and every market is actively being looked at. So while I can't share specifics, the opening of Portmore will help enhance the opportunity for Jamaica to have additional locations.
Now, Mr. Danraj Mahabir disclosed that Pricesmart will bring its direct-to-farm program to Jamaica.
That all markets will eventually get the direct-to-farm program, which is a great program that supports local farmers. And we put field technicians and we put people on the ground that works with the farmers to ensure that the latest technology is used in making sure the crops are grown to the right specs and standards. And that will eventually come to all markets. But again, there's a schedule and it's being rolled out at a country-specific level.
The Pricesmart will open its second local club in Portmore next Tuesday. The expansion costs about $20 million and it's to provide about 180 jobs, all for Jamaicans. Still on company news, listed company Daramon Trading is now the owner of local manufacturing and meat processing company Arosa. Daramon says the acquisition expands its manufacturing portfolio. Chief Financial Officer at Daramon, Ian Kelly, says the move is part of the company's diversification strategy.
We have certainly been doing a lot of new inroads into the manufacturing sector, and we believe that the acquisition of Arosa will also help us to deepen our market and also to allow us to increase our revenue. And thereafter, we look back at the marketing efforts to see whether, after being able to supply the local market, that we will be able to make further inroads within the Caribbean and more so the international market.
Now, CEO and Chairman of Daramon Trading, Derek Cottrell, says the team is looking to expand Arosa.
Are going to be employing more people, and whenever we take over business and we have to grow it and we have to employ more people, we're always very happy because that's one of the major things that we try to achieve.
Now, this is Daramon's second acquisition in less than 3 months. It recently bought food manufacturing company Spicy Hill Farms. Now, a survey by auditing firm PricewaterhouseCoopers on board directors in Jamaica has concluded that executive management and compensation across public and private sector boards need to be revisited. 61% of board directors surveyed believe that performance targets for executive management are too easy to achieve. 66% believe that incentive plans did not promote long-term shareholder value and team member retention. The survey also looked at board directors' view on virtual meetings. Now, 46% of directors felt that virtual board or committee meetings positively impacted meeting effectiveness. 32% experienced the same efficiency compared to physical meetings. However, 41% reported that virtual meetings have a negative impact on director engagement and board culture. Now let's head to the stock market. The JSE index declined by 2,314 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 22 points. Among today's advances were Epley 5% preference shares, Kingston Properties, Blue Power Group, Cargo Handlers and Key Insurance, while on the losing side were Elite Diagnostic, T-Tech, Access Financial Services, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares and Seprod. The U.S. currency is selling for an average $155.51. $123.61 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $204.33 for the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $170.62. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Before we go, here's a look at what's to come in the Business Review on Sunday.